Guys, we're gonna do some pork fried rice in the Ninja Foodi Grill coming up.
This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, and you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, and before I get going on what we're doing here today, hit that thumbs up, get ready to comment, share this on all your social media. Let's blow this one up. It's gonna be a good one, all right? All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We are going to make some pork fried rice. Now, this is just a simple fried rice recipe that I actually have some smoked pulled pork that I did outside. But you could add any kind of protein to this, chicken, shrimp, whatever, okay? So we're gonna use the air fryer function on the regular Ninja Foodi Grill. I've had a lot of people request more videos just for the regular Ninja Foodi Grill, even though I've been kind of concentrating on the new XL version. So we're gonna use the regular one today, okay? But this can be done in the XL version too, the same temperature, same setting, okay? All we're gonna do is I got some day-old rice that's been in the refrigerator. It's really important that it's had time to dry out in the refrigerator. All right, you don't want mushy fried rice. All right, we got some pork already cubed up. We got some frozen veggies. I scrambled a couple eggs in there already. Some people like to put it in while it's cooking. I'd rather cook it up front, so again, you don't have soggy fried rice, okay? And then just all the extra stuff. Got little onions, got a little garlic. It's gonna be easy as can be, all right? Let's get over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is get this thing turned on. We're gonna use the air crisp setting. I'm gonna take it to 450. I want it as hot as it can go. Hit start, and we're gonna let it preheat. We'll come on back and we'll start adding stuff to the mix. Okay guys, we got it preheated. I'm gonna add our teaspoon of sesame seed oil. Toasted sesame seed oil. All right, I'm gonna add some onions in there. I'm gonna add our pork in there, get it heated through. All the flavors mixing. All right, I'm gonna shut it down. We'll go 5 minutes to heat all that up, get those onions cooked through a bit. Okay, we're about almost 3 minutes in. We're gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic in there. You don't want to add this too soon because the last thing you want to do is get it burned. I already got some great smell in here from the pulled pork. And those onions are already heating through. Okay, another couple minutes. Okay guys, 5 minutes is up, give or take. Everything's coming together real nicely. The smells that's going on in here, just out of control. Let's add our rice to there. All right. Get that nice and mixed up and mixed in. Okay, we're gonna shut it down, give it a couple minutes to let all this come together. This is definitely a layering kind of dish, all right? So we'll let this come together a little bit and then we'll add the soy sauce and the egg and all the extra stuff. Now we're gonna add our frozen veggies in there. Okay. Get those all mixed in. All right, let those come up to temp. Get a little flavor on them. 10 minutes in, let's add our eggs. Add our eggs, stick into the bowl. Right. Then we're gonna add a couple tablespoons of soy sauce. This is regular soy sauce, not low sodium or anything like that. So that's why I'm not adding salt to the mix. All right, I'm gonna add some cracked black pepper. About a tablespoon or so. Add what you like. Last is a little shishito pepper mix that I get from the local ramen place. Just a couple little pinches of that stuff, just a little dab will do you there. I'll see if I could find the seasoning online in Amazon. If I can, I'll put the link down below. Let's get this mixed around. Chop up that egg in there. Make sure all the soy sauce coats all of the rice and all of the pork. All right. Last thing we're gonna do is go about 5 minutes of some heavy duty, heat on top. Get that wok fried kind of flavor going on. That's why we have it so high up in temperature. Okay, so like I said, 5 minutes, just blasting it with heat. Okay guys, we are done. It's looking pretty dang good to me. I don't know about you. Look at that. That is some pork fried rice right there. All right, let's get this plated up, thumbnail shot, all that good stuff. Come on back. All right, so we're gonna top it off with some green onions. All right, some sesame seeds. Of course, we're gonna make a mess, but that's okay. All right, guys, we are done. This is looking amazing. It smells amazing. I'm telling you guys, I'm freaking excited. Look at that. I'm gonna bring it in closer, see if it focus. Focus for me. Focus. Come on, you can do it. Let's see her. There we go. Look at that. Tell me that ain't a pretty picture right there. I love it. All right, time to try this bad boy right here. Got the little chunks of the egg in there. All those veggies. I love it. Man, that's good. No, man, that's good stuff right there. Man, if you don't like this, well, I don't want to know your name, buddy. I used smoked pulled pork. My guy Kent from Dutch BBQ made it when they were over at my house. Flew all the way in from Iowa. I'll put a link for Kent's channel down below. You check it out. Man, this is good. I'm gonna just sit here and eat this in front of you guys. I'm not the best with chopsticks, but still freaking tasty. That's it for this one. Way too good. All right, give this one a shot. You're gonna love it, I promise. All right, if you guys want to get yourself a Ninja Foodi Grill, links down below. These custom cutting boards, any of the knives I use, anything I use on my videos, links are down below. If you want to become a show producer, click this link right here. It'll take you to my Patreon. Get your name at the end of the credits. Be a show producer. All right, that's it for this week. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.